Hello, welcome to this weather update on December 6, 2021. 9 o'clock as the misery comes to an end here, or comes close to being over. Today was kind of a really warm, humid day, and especially this evening. At least we had a sea breeze on Long Island, but then the breeze died after 7 o'clock, and it got brutal. You can see there's some heavy showers, maybe a thunderstorm off the North Shore here. The cold front is going to be moving through within the next hour or so. And looking at our temperatures here across the area, wow, some pretty strong wind gusts here associated with this cold front. Somebody has Newark has a 41 mile an hour wind gust with this cold front, so you could see some pretty strong winds with this cold front. And it comes through, there are going to be some wind gusts. Lakehurst has got a 44 mile an hour wind gust with this cold front, so it could cause some scattered power outages. 58 mile an hour wind gusts now reported at Robbins Reef. So yeah, when this front comes through, there's going to be a very strong wind gust when it comes through. And right now, temperature is quite mild across the area. We're still in the mid-50s for this hour of night, which is ridiculous, and it's humid too. Dew points are up into the 50s as well. So you got humidity out there. It's warm. It's humid. It's not very nice out at all. Like I said, at least there was a stiff southerly breeze, but it died around 7 o'clock, and then it got really kind of a little after 7 o'clock. That stiff southerly breeze just died. But here's the front coming through right now, and you can see the cooler air is waiting in the wings, especially as you head into Pennsylvania, where temperatures are in the 40s there. So that'll be here probably after like 11 o'clock or so. We should start feeling that cooler air getting into the area, hopefully. But you can see we definitely got some strong wind gusts out there. 48 mile an hour wind gusts in Manhattan too. So these are going to be some pretty strong wind gusts that will be coming through the area with this cold front. Let's take a look at our highs and lows today. Let's first look at the weather at Islip, just to show you what I mean with the winds just kind of dying off here. Because we had stronger southerly winds, and then they kind of just, well, you don't really see it too much here, actually. But you can see we had a lot of clouds around throughout the day. Islip got up to 58 degrees. We never really got into the sun. However, New Jersey did. And as a result, it was much warmer over there. If we look at New Jersey, if we look at Lakehurst, for instance, here. Let's go to Lakehurst, where they have a northwest wind. So the front is through Lakehurst. And you can see here they got up well up into the mid 60s today. 63. We'll put it on the map too as far as the highs. So let's do that. We'll go to that next. Let's go to the highs. So highs across Long Island, we're up there, mid to upper 50s across, even on the South Shore. Still got up there quite a bit, especially tonight as the sea breeze really dropped off. But Islip hit 58 degrees. That's 10 degrees above normal. Quite a warm day. And if you go into LaGuardia, 61, 55 at JFK, 60 in Central Park. But in Jersey, it was even warmer there, where they had 60s for highs. Lakehurst got up to 62 degrees today, so quite warm. And it sounds like it's starting to pour here as well. 65 for a high in Howell. So really just ridiculously warm today. That's like almost 15 degrees. That's like over 15 degrees above normal for the day. Let's look at our rainfall amounts that we got today so far since midnight. We'll see how much rain that has fallen across the area. Generally a quarter to a half an inch of rain, and we'll probably pick up another quarter inch of rain. So maybe we look at all the rainfall for the night. It should be around 0.75 inches. Let's see if we can get the rainfall information for New Jersey. It doesn't seem to want to. There it is. So, yeah, generally around that quarter of an inch mark. So looking at the satellite, you can see here comes the front coming through right now, and this will be the much more comfortable air getting into the area later tonight. Much more normal for December. Today was absolutely disgusting, no question about it. Cold front moves through. We have this high pressure building in for tomorrow. And then we have this next weak system for Wednesday. It's weaker. It's further offshore. Could bring a little light snow to the area. Weak high pressure builds in behind it on Thursday. And then we have this this system that this could lead to a very warm weekend with the ridge offshore, and we're ahead of a cold front again, and we have to wait for that cold front to pass. I'm not going to dive too much into the long range in this weather update. Let's go in the HRRR here, 0Z, and you can see here's the front with the showers and thunderstorms, and the rain might linger a little bit over the area for like till probably around midnight. Then it just starts tapering off slowly. High pressure builds in tomorrow. We're dry, and then for Wednesday, this is the Wednesday system looking much weaker now, and very little precipitation. It's going to be very light rain, if anything, for your Wednesday system. And as far as snowfall goes, this is what the HRRR has: absolutely nothing. So the system is weaker; it's further offshore, which means a less precipitation for our area. Going to the temperatures. So here are the temperatures, and here comes that cold front again. You can clearly see a very quick drop in temperatures once this moves through around midnight. 11 o'clock, temperatures quickly drop into the 40s, then 30s by morning, probably mid-30s, maybe even low 30s. And then for tomorrow, we're going to have a blustery day with highs only around in the low 40s. Clouds move in tomorrow night ahead of the next system, so that's why you're not going to see too much radiational cooling, lows in the mid-30s. And then for Wednesday, it's going to be a chilly, raw day with a chance of light snow or light rain as to what it looks like right now. If we look at the dew point and air flows, you can see here, and again, look at that sharp front coming through there, and it really drops. Strong, blustery northwest winds tomorrow. Winds drop off a little more toward the afternoon, stay northwesterly, and then for Wednesday, they become more like very weak. Perhaps a weak southeasterly wind and then shifting to the north. Let's now go look at our skies. I'm not going to go beyond Thursday in this weather outlook. I think we'll keep it in we'll keep the time. We're going to basically cover this week and maybe into the weekend. So here we go for Tuesday. Unfortunately, there's going to be some high clouds around. We're hoping it would be a clear day, but you can already see some high clouds streaming in ahead of the next system. And plenty of clouds, obviously, for Wednesday. Next chance of a clear day would be Thursday. Maybe we can get a clear day before that cirrus rolls back in again. It's just because of the zonal pattern we're in. It's just things just constantly are, the high pressure doesn't have a chance to establish itself for very long. So let's go to the GFS now, and we'll look at the temperatures. So here are the temperatures in the GFS. You can see cool down for tomorrow, thank God. Wednesday cool, and behind that storm on Thursday, it could be quite a chilly day with highs only in the mid to upper 30s, perhaps highs only in the 30s. Maybe we may not even make it to 40 on Thursday, but enjoy it because then things start warming up again here Friday. We're rising to near 50 degrees, especially in Jersey. And look at Saturday, and ahead of this next cold front, it could be quite warm on the weekend. So I'm not looking forward to that. And yes, there will be humidity with it too. We go to the dew points, you'll see here for your, look at that. It's going to get quite humid too. So probably have to put the air conditioner on again for your Saturday night into Sunday. Very warm, very disgusting weather for the weekend, and then it gets better again. It's disgusting tropical air. There used to be a time when you could put the air conditioner away. Not anymore. Today is definitely a day where you need it. It's humid, it's damp, and it's disgusting. So let me go to the sky, back to the sky. I'll go to the NAM and see how the NAM 3 does with the sky, to the 18Z run, and see how it handles for the sky for tomorrow. You can see it's got some of that cirrus around, so it's got quite a bit of it too around. So it doesn't really look, it looked like we were gonna have a nice, clear, sunny day, but nope. Our next chance would be Thursday. Let me look at one more model as far as the sky goes. It's windy.com. And we can look at this as far as tomorrow goes. We can use this, the European model. And let me see. Clouds. Yeah, you can see it's got the high clouds. So the issue is you're going to have upper level moisture. So if you go look at humidity, See a humidity. And we raise this to aloft. You'll see, yeah, there's quite a bit. Yeah, the air aloft is not that dry at all, so that's why we're gonna probably be seeing a lot of the high clouds, contrails, and stuff like that. You know, maybe we'll get lucky. I mean, you'd think looking at this, you'd think, oh, we'll have a clear day, but if you pull this out to the CONUS view here, you can see this is the hot clouds from the next system already that are going to be racing into our area by tomorrow. We'll see. Hopefully, maybe we can get a... And then we have to worry about the lake effect clouds, too. So, trying to get a clear day. You can see the zonal pattern right here. You can see it. It's just one system. Jet streams basically like this. It's just a zonal. No. I thought I changed the color on you. This is the zonal pattern here. So, it's going from west to east. The zonal pattern. So it's just when one system leaves, this next system already comes right back in. And it does not allow for any of the colder air that's up in Canada, the really cold air, to come on down. It's blocked completely. So it's not coming down. At least we get a little taste of it. But at least it'll be better than today. Today was absolutely disgusting. So that's going to wrap up this weather update. Again, we got some strong wind gusts coming to the area. So keep in mind of that. We actually do have a wind advisory now in effect. It looks like through 1 a.m. now has been issued for at least it looks like New Jersey, Binghamton. I see Binghamton up here. I don't see Albany, but I would not be surprised that wind advisory is extended into our area because we're going to get some strong gusty winds this evening. And then we'll have to watch for Wednesday's system, obviously, but right now it looks weak, but gusts to 45 to 50 miles an hour. So that is something we're going to have to watch for as this front comes on through and puts an end to this disgusting tropical air that we've been in today. Thanks for watching.